Okay, so how to create an annotated bibliography entry. First, I'm going to simply do it in MLA style because MLA style is a good habit to get into. And class, English 1020, section, insert, section here. And finally, the date. And the title would be Annotated Bibliography Example, for example. And I would put my topic here, ta-da, for my normal annotated bibliography. I hit return, I left justify, I format, paragraph, I create, I gain indent here, I hit OK, I highlight everything, I go up here, I double space, double click, and I choose a header and footer, which, dang. Okay. So that doesn't work for me. Let me do page number. There. Done. Now I'm ready to create my annotated bibliography example. And that is it. Okay, where do I get this information? I get this information from the title page of the book, which you see on the right side. It contains authors, editors, publisher, and publishing company, city of publication. And if you turn the page, which I'm not going to do right now, then you can find the copyright date. So everything you need to create a works cited entry. So let's get started. The works cited entry. We start out, since we're doing David Shazinko, we do Shinzinko, David, author's last name, author's first name, title of the book. Title of the book, period. In quotation, I'm underlining. The moves that matter in academic writing. Now I do a period. Now I can underline, like you see, or I can italicize. Either way works, not both. So I'm choosing underline. Be consistent. If you underline the titles of books and journals, then you're going to keep underlining the titles of books and journals. Just saying. Next goes editors. And the editors are Gerald Graff, Kathy Birkenstein, Artstein, and Russell Durst. After I do the editors, it is city of publication. I look on my handy dandy title page. I found out that it's New York. I found out that the publisher is W. Norton and Company. And on the back of the page, I find the copyright date is 2012. Then I have the page numbers, and then I have print. And that is the first part of your works cited entry, or the first part of your annotated bibliography. It is the works cited entry. Next, we'll have the summary. Okay, starting the summary is right here. And I am just starting to type. Argues that he understands. And do you see? I start right after the print section so that my margins remain flat and everything is perfect. Now, let me do the rest of it. And so, there we are. Here's the summary. Notice that I'm going to use highlights here. 1 sentence, 2 sentence, 3 sentence, 4 sentence. And I am just summarizing exactly what the article says. So, let me start and do this. Citation. Whoops. Citation. And then summary. And next will be our evaluation. So, let's do that. Okay, so here's the evaluation. Now watch me circle the areas that we talked about on Friday. His credentials, his rate of success, and his ability, and my judgment of him. And that ends our section on evaluation. Now, put it all together, and you have a complete annotated bibliography example. You first have the works cited section of it. Excuse me. Then you have the summary section. And then finally you have the evaluation section with my judgment. You will have 10 of these, each one being a complete annotated bibliography entry. And this is how you do it. So now you should be able to do your homework for tonight. And thank you and goodbye.